If you take a single grape and place it inside the microwave, what you find is that the microwaves actually become trapped inside the grape. And that's because if you add a second grape close together, well then you can start to get interactions between the electromagnetic fields in the one grape and in the other. And in fact, if you get the grapes touching, then the greatest electromagnetic field actually occurs at that contact point between the two grapes. And so that is where you're going to get the greatest oscillating electromagnetic